so today we're reviewing a new app. Actually, not so new, but new to me. It's called Urbanic or Urbanic. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I feel like it should be urban, so Urbanic. But I've heard people say Urbanic, so I don't know. Whatever it is, comment below with whatever it is. Basically, I heard about this app on Clubhouse, and it is where Gen Z is shopping from. Fast fashion, cheap clothes. Now, I actually didn't want to order from the app at all because I haven't really been shopping much or any of that stuff lately. When I bought my last pair of Zara jeans, you guys saw the diagonal ones. I didn't quite like them because I wanted something more diagonal. And when I googled for options, I came across this pair. And this pair is kind of what started it all. I will tell you in a bit. So I went on to the app to look at these jeans. And then I was like, okay, you know, I don't know what the quality is like. I don't know whether I should get them, shouldn't get them, and all of that. So I thought, why not order a whole bunch of denim items and kind of review it for you guys and myself. And of course, I'm going to return most of the stuff that I've gotten because I just got it as options to actually see what it's like in terms of quality and pricing and, you know, how fast it arrives and all of that, and to basically do a review for you guys because I felt like there'd be a lot of people like me that are unsure. Now, first up, I'm only reviewing denim items, actually denim bottoms, not even any tops, because those are the items that I was interested in. I'm not talking about any of the other clothing items because I have never ever tried any. And with regards to buying from a fast fashion label, I will tell you this, that for me, honestly, I buy a lot of cheap denim items that I use for years and years and years. So I don't necessarily believe you need to buy expensive jeans because I like some of my cheapest jeans are my oldest jeans and I turn them into like shorts. So these are my shorts from when, like my jeans from when I was 12, 13, they're shorts now. Or I turn them into Bermudas now, and I have jeans that are like 15 years old, 12 years old. So yeah, I don't really throw away my jeans. I usually just wear them, chop them up, all of that. So which is why I thought it was okay to kind of do this as an Urbanic haul slash review for you guys because I will actually keep some of these pieces and use them for years to come. And also I think with jeans, you know, honestly, this whole quality thing, I think is a bit of a farce. I bought like completely unbranded random jeans from Bangkok and I've been using them for like 15 years and I'm still wearing them, you know. So I just feel like it doesn't have to be branded. It doesn't have to be expensive to last, especially when it comes to denim. Now, let's move on with the review. Okay, so first up, this is the pair that started it all, as I told you, the like diagonal, this thing that I ordered. I think it's the best pair of jeans that I got from all the ones I got, unfortunately. At least I feel that way because of the fabric. Like, it's super soft, as you can see. Like, really, really soft, comfy, nice for like the hot, sweaty weather we have in Bombay. It's obviously not heavy denim. So if you want like a nice light pair of denims, this is a good option for that. Sizing, I will say, is completely crazy. Like, I've gotten everything from an extra small to a small, and some I'm wearing extra small, some small, some the small is better, some the XS is better. So you have to just see, I think, the measurement, the size chart, and then choose. There's no standard sizing. And when it comes to pricing, again, they are all over the place. So, you know, they have an actual price, which is like here you'll see it's 2490, but that's not what I paid for it. I paid around 1300 for it because they have, everything is on discount anyways. And then they also give you these codes like 100 off, 200 off, 500 off, depending on how much you buy for. So again, the prices you see here are not the prices at all. So yeah, these were about 1300, which is not very cheap, not very expensive, but I really, really like the pair. The quality is not outstanding, I will say this, like the buttons and all are a bit warped and I had to like actually cut the buttonholes. So the buttonholes in a lot of pieces were not cut. I actually had to manually cut them, which was a clear indicator that of, you know, that it's not like great. But I love how these fit. I love that they're super comfy and I really, really like this pair for sure. So I will say this is a good option if you're looking for one. Also, they have different types of deliveries schedules based on where the products are. So this one came in 4 days, okay, and it told me available in 4 days. It will tell you that when you're ordering. So if you're in a bit of a rush, you might want to check for the quick delivery items like this one, okay. So this one I think I'm going to keep, but I'm still not sure. What do you guys think? Up next, we have a disaster of manic proportions, not just the jeans, but also this. So I filmed the rest of this video 2 days ago, and when we were editing, we realized this clip doesn't exist. It magically vanished, which means I never hit record. So I thought I'd fool you guys with the same like look and stuff. Then I realized my nails are red, so joke's on me. But moving on to the original disaster, these jeans. I couldn't skip this one because this was like, I think the worst pair of jeans I've tried in my life in terms of for me and my body. Might work for you, I don't know. But what I didn't like was the flaps, okay? So when I bought the jeans, I saw the picture and I was like, oh my god, these look cool with the buttons. And I thought they were real buttons on the side so that you could unbutton a bit, leave it, like stuff like that. But they are all fake. They've got like this flappy thing here, which means they're not real. And when I wore them, I just felt like I was stuffed, like a stuffed potato. Like it just did not work for me. I'm not even going to go into like pricing and all this stuff because I just feel like these are going back, like definitely returning these. Okay, then we have a small and an extra small. So in one style, I ordered both to just see what is better. And honestly, the small was much better. The extra small was a bit too snug on me. So if you're looking for sizing, I think if you're my size, mostly small works best. I think only one extra small kind of fit me. But yeah, again in this one, in the extra small, the buttons weren't cut out, the buttonholes weren't cut out. I had to physically cut them out myself. But these did fit well. I felt like the diagonal button design was pretty, you know, nice in these also. So they have, like, you see the buttons throughout, which is pretty cool. So I'm deciding between the first pair and this pair to kind of keep as one pair. Like, I don't want to keep both obviously because they're too similar, and that was actually what I was looking for, which is why I ended up on the app in the first place. But yeah, again, these are thicker denim, not as soft as the first pair. So they do kind of fall better. I feel like the soft ones feel comfier, but they're not stiff, you know, like these are stiff and like proper like jeans. So I will say there's pros and cons to all, but color wise, I feel like those are better. These are more of a really dark grey blue, you know, more like a, not like a black blue, ink bluish. I don't know what I'm saying now. I don't know which color ink blue. Okay, ink blue. These are more like ink blue. But these are really cheap again, only for 1,045. So, I mean, maybe worth keeping. What do you guys think? Okay, up next we have the last pair of jeans that I ordered, but these are really funky and weird. So you see this extra flap. It basically is to button them together like this, and then you get like that V formation in the front, which is pretty cool. Again, all the buttonholes are a bit hard to like work, and I think you'll have to make them bigger and to make things easier. But they do look pretty cool when you see them, and I love that they have like a darker pocket on the side. Again, like a very different design. This is a different shade of nice light denim, which I haven't got. And also the bottom has these slits, which is quite nice in terms of a design element. Easy, relaxed fits. I would say these are a definite like yes in my eyes right now, but I'm not so sure in terms of whether I want to keep them or not, because I don't want so many denims. Like, how many jeans am I going to wear? Like, these were again a size small. So as I said, small, extra small, majority of the items I bought were small that I like, except for I think the first one, which is an extra small, which fit me well. Then we have this guy, which is a skirt. Now I realized when I tried it, I was wearing it the wrong way. I was wearing it with the buttons in the center, but you can wear it both ways. So in the picture, they had the buttons on the side with this as a side slit. I wore it as a center slit with some buttons open. I really like this. Like, it's a nice thick denim, and I feel like this would be just really cool with a gunji and sneakers, and it's like effortless and can be worn a lot. So I will say this, I thought the quality was great on this. I love the design. Like, I feel like the element on the waist is nice with, you know, the double button and stuff like that. And yeah, I did quite like this one a lot. Then we have this little guy. Okay, so this is a Skort for those of you that don't know and were not around in the 90s and 2000s. It's shorts at the bottom and then like this flap, which looks like a skirt from the front and shorts from the back. It's called a Skort because it's a mix of skirt and shorts, and we used to live in these when I was like a teenager. Honestly, it was like a rage then. I haven't owned a Skort in a while, so I just ordered this honestly for fun to see how it looks and fits and whatever. I really don't think I'm going to be keeping this because it's cute and all that, but I don't see myself wearing it a lot, like unless I'm on holiday or on the beach or wherever. This is not something I would wear a lot right now, sitting at home in the pandemic. And I just felt like for the price, like if I were to get jeans for 1,000 rupees, this for 800 bucks seemed like then I could just get this anywhere, right? Like jeans for me, I feel at 1,000, 1,200 is really great because when you buy a pair of Zara jeans or whatever, they're like 3,000, 2,000. So I definitely feel with jeans, their pricing is better than the skirts and shorts and things like that. So I think I'm going to return this one, but it's cute. It's cute, but I think I'm going to return it. Up next, we have these guys, the Bermudas. So you guys have seen me wear my ones, the ones I own a lot. Like I cut up my earlier Topshop jeans into Bermudas in the pandemic and I've been wearing them a lot. Love the fabric on these. These are actually super soft and comfy. So if you're looking for like an everyday pair of Bermudas, these are great. I also saw these on Zara before cutting mine up. Like they were 3,000 bucks or 4,000 bucks, and I was like, okay, I am buying like Bermudas for 4,000 bucks. I'm just going to cut my older jeans that I'm not wearing right now. And that's what I did, but I only have one pair. So I kind of thought maybe I could get another pair, and they're not very expensive. These are around 1,000 rupees, I think. But the fabric is amazing. Like as you can see, super soft. Really comfy when I wore them. So yeah, again, these are a small, so I feel like my size definitely is more of a small on the app, but yeah, really comfy. I actually might keep these. Okay, next up we have what I call my mom's shorts, because growing up I saw my mom wear shorts like this and I thought they were really uncool. Like these are not just Bermudas, these are like really wide Bermudas. Okay, so they really go tan on the side when you wear them, and I really feel like these reminded me of the shorts my mom would wear when I was a kid. And yeah, I'm not so sure about these. Like I prefer the earlier ones, but I'm still not sure if I want to keep these just because they remind me of what my mom wore when I was younger. And I feel like I'm at the same age, so I'm like, nahi, but they're back in fashion now, guys. But again, these were less than 1,000 rupees. So I guess if you're looking for a good pair of shorts, pretty comfy. And these are an extra small again. So just 2 extra smalls in the whole lot that fit me well. The rest were all smalls. Okay, so overall, the experience was pretty pleasant. Ordering was really easy on the app. As I said, just make sure you order the right pieces if you want them urgently, like the ones that are available quicker than the other one. But they came nicely packaged, all of that. And I just felt like in terms of denim, the quality is not bad. They're not great. They are like cheap jeans. Like I wouldn't say they are like amazing. They are cheap, unbranded, like kind of like you'd buy, you know, from Bangkok or wherever, like those kind of jeans. But they will last you. Like I feel like I have so many pairs like this that I've been wearing, as I said, for 10-15 years. And they're inexpensive. So if you're someone that doesn't really want to buy expensive jeans and want something that's, you know, light, easy, fun, it's worth checking out, is my opinion. Comment below and tell me what I should keep and what I should return from this haul, because I feel like I started out with wanting one pair of jeans and now I have a few more things that I kind of like. But I feel for denim, I would definitely check out the app again, because I feel like, especially for denims like the ones I want, you know, with the Teda buttons, for something unique that you don't want to wear like every day, or they're not your staple proper, like, you know, boyfriend jeans or whatever. I'm not going to wear them that much. It's a great find and a great price. Like compared to the Zara ones, like the Zara ones I'd ordered were 2,000 something, and these are like half the price or less, right? So I would definitely check out Urbanic for denim stuff. That is my review. I don't know about the other stuff. I've not bought anything from the website. If you have, leave your reviews in the comments. It'll help us shop again if we're looking to buy other stuff. So guys, that was my Urbanic denim review and the stuff that I got from them. I would definitely check them out for denim stuff and order from them again, because I thought for the price, the quality was great and a lot of the stuff was really cool and trendy. And yeah, kind of worth it. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite items from the haul/review, and let me know what I should keep and what I should return also in the comments. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.